Diya Mole, today is your EVS exam. Now I am asking some questions from EVS. Are you ready to give answers?
Yes.
Okay, first question. In which class do you study?
I am studying in LKG at Missionary School.
Okay, which person stitches our clothes?
Taylor.
Which word swims in water?
Doctor.
What does the doctor do?
A daughter. She's people.
Which bird has shining colorful feather?
Peacock.
How many wheels in a bicycle?
2 wheels.
A pet bird.
Parrot.
Which bird gives us egg?
Young duck.
Which vehicle is used to travel in different countries?
Ship.
Which vehicle runs on 3 wheels?
Auto.
Which bird eats the waste things around our house?
Crow.
The color of parrot beak?
Red.
A leafy vegetable.
Cabbage.
Where does an aeroplane land?
Airborne.
The color of potato outer skin?
Brown.
Say if any 5 good habits.
I go to bed early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth Tuesday. I wash my hands before the after eating. I wear clean clothes.
Okay, thank you.